guys, it's Carly from Hannah and Car, and today I'm going to show you how to get this lovely Valentine's Day look. Let's get started. The first step is to apply a concealer of your choice. I'm applying it under my eyes and on my eyes as a primer. Now I'm going to blend it in with my forefinger. The next step is to apply foundation. I am applying my foundation onto a flat brush. Once I have applied the foundation all over my face, I'm going to blend it in with the same brush. The next step is to apply powder to set your foundation. I am applying a light layer of powder all over my face using an angled brush. Next, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with this light brown color. I like to use a thin, flat brush to fill in my eyebrows to make them look a little more natural. Now I'm going to apply my bronzer. I like to apply my bronzer as a contour, so I'm going to put it below my cheekbones and blend it up towards my temples, and then I like to shade my jawline in a little bit. Next, I'm going to apply my highlighter. I like to use a fan brush to apply my highlighter. I'm applying it on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, and up by my forehead. Now I'm going to blend it in with my blush brush. Next, I'm going to mix these three pinks together on my flat brush, and I'm going to apply it on my whole eyelid. Next, I've taken pink and my flat brush, and I'm going to apply that in the crease of my eye and blend it out towards the edge of my eyebrow. Next, I'm taking my small brush and applying the pink color underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to use my flat brush to apply this copper color on top of the pink that I just did. Brush, I'm going to apply the same copper underneath my eyes on top of the pink. Next, on my flat brush, I'm going to mix together this dark brown and purple shade, and I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes to add more definition. With a big blending brush, I'm going to blend in the darker colors that I just put in my crease. With my small brush, I'm going to use this light tan and apply it from the middle to the inner corner of my eyes. With my flat brush, I'm going to mix together this cream and tan color, and I'm just going to apply that right on top of the color that I just put on. Next, I'm going to apply these golden tan sparkles on my whole eyelid. Now with my flat brush, I'm going to apply this cream color on my brow bone. With my small brush, I'm going to apply this white color in the corner of my eyes. I'm going to apply my mascara. Last but not least, I'm going to apply a shimmery copper lip gloss onto my lips. my finished Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you tried this along with me, tag us on Instagram at Hannah Carly. We would love to see it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!